Hello everyone, today we make sourdough, the original recipe of sourdough bread. So tasty, flavor combination is absolutely fantastic. When you taste this bread, for me it's remind me by my mother bread when we used to make it in Egypt. It's a combination whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour. So you can use rye flour, you can use any kind of flour you want. The flavor exactly healthy and amazing. First, we start the sourdough. 100 gram of whole wheat flour, and then 100 gram of water, you mix together, and you make sure that emulsify the flour, and now we keep in the jar. We cover, and then we cover with napkin paper to allow to oxygen to live the dough. Second day, you can see start bubbling and grow up. We do the same, 100 gram water, 100 gram flour. Make sure that when you mix, just to get elasticity from the dough, as you see. The same process we cover with napkin paper to allow to oxygen to give life to the dough. It's very simple and very tasty, no chemical. You do it from A to Z by 2 ingredients only, water and flour. Third day, you can see the fermentation and bubbles, smelling the smell of the sour, really fantastic, like perfume. What we do, we take only 100 gram because you must make the same every day. So if you keep continue the equal amount, first day 100 gram and 100 water is 200 gram. Second day you put 400 gram. Third day you put 800 gram, which is not right. So we take only 100 gram and we throw the rest. But if you are in hotel or a big shop, so you can do it. But at home, I take only 100 gram of the sourdough. I added 100 gram flour, 100 gram water, and I mix. And with this process, we keep doing for 7 days, 15 days, as much as you want the fermentation and aroma of the yeast going. Every time the same. This after 7 days, I added 300 gram all-purpose flour and 100 gram whole wheat flour and 300 gram of our yeast. It's very simple. Almost 500 gram flour as you wish. 300 gram of our sourdough. 10 gram of salt. You can add little water, like 50 gram of water, just because this dough is sticky dough. It's not so hard. We need to be soft dough. As you see, I knead it by my hand inside the bowl. It takes almost 10 minutes. So imagine anybody you hit and you need the dough, so it gives you strength. Remember your mother-in-law or your boss or me, and then you got angry and you do the knead the dough. As you see, the dough will tell you when it's ready. You can see it's clean the table, and now you stretch the dough. If you see bubbles and the cut, so it's not ready. You have to knead again and again. It takes almost 7 minutes or 5 minutes until you have open, smooth, beautiful dough. As you see now, stretch and very nice. No, if it's cut, it means need no more knead. So I knead the dough again until it becomes soft. Here I put some flour in the bowl and I cover for 2 hours or 1.5. It's depending about your room temperature. As you see now, it's double quantity, and this is what I say. This bread dough which I use 16% protein. This is flour dough or whole wheat flour. After 2 hours, I take out the dough. As you see, very soft. And be careful and look exactly what I'm doing. You stretch the dough. If you remember my focaccia bread, how we knead it, almost the same. You roll the dough very good and you put upside down. If you have sourdough mold, you know it's a wooden mold. If not, just a normal bowl. Spray the flour and then you put the dough upside down. Make sure upside down, so the end of the dough on top, so when you send it, you remove to the, here I keep in the oven. I heat the oven for 5 minutes and then I close it and I leave it for 40 minutes just to improve. When it's improved, I upside down. I spray the flour on top. I cover for 5 minutes or 10 minutes until the oven reach 220 degree. 220 degree. When my oven 220 degree, I start to bake. It takes almost 15 to 18 minutes, and you have fantastic handmade sourdough original recipe. I wish you enjoy my channel. Please, if this first time, make subscribe, leave the comment, and tell us what your opinion about our bread. Sourdough bread, the original recipe. Thanks for being in my channel. Ahmed Younes. All the best.